Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to see who viewed your Instagram highlights. So if you're curious about who's checking your stories after you save them, just follow along step by step. All right, let's dive in. First, open your Instagram app on your phone. Now, tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, find your highlights section. Tap on the highlight you want to check. When the highlight opens, simply swipe up on the screen. Right here, you'll see the list of people who viewed your highlight. Now, there's something important to keep in mind. You can only see who viewed your highlights for up to 48 hours after the original story was posted. After that time, the viewer list disappears, even if the story is saved in your highlights. So instead of seeing names, you'll only see the total number of views, not the specific viewers. This is because the viewer data is linked to the original story's time window, not the highlight itself. And that's it. That's how you check who viewed your Instagram highlights.